to Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I want to make for you a Spanish rice with vegetables. It comes out delicious, soft, and very easy to prepare. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Rice, mixed veggies, and chicken broth. I am ready to prepare this rice. So let's get started. My pan is hot. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. I am going to add my rice. We are just going to mix for about 1 minute, just to make sure that the rice is coated with the butter. We do not want to fry this rice. At this moment, I'm going to add my veggies. And I'm going to add my chicken bouillon. We're gonna mix for 1 minute, just to make sure that everything incorporates. I am going to add my chicken broth. I'm going to lower the heat to medium-low, and I'm going to cover it. It's gonna be cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'll show you when this is done. I want to show you how it looks. It's already simmering. I'm going to cover it one more time and we'll see you back when this is done. My friends, I want to show you how delicious this rice and soft this rice is. Look at this. I am so ready to taste this delicious veggie rice. I'll see you in a little bit. My rice is ready. It's done. Look how beautiful this looks. I am so ready to taste my veggie rice. This is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my recipes. I wish you were here to taste it with me. Excuse me, let's see how it came out, because it looks, you know, it looks very tender. It's the veggies, it gives so much bright colors. Everything looks so delicious. But this is the part I love the most, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. This is so soft. The rice is well done. Excuse me. This is delicious. You could add some chicken, some carne asada. This rice goes with everything, even by itself, just with salad. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me thumbs up. Share my video on social media. Don't forget to push the notification bell so whenever I make a new recipe, yes, you are notified. Thank you so much for playing my video, giving me a little bit of your time. Thank you, I appreciate it. Thank you for watching my video from start to end. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best, peace and love. And I will stay enjoying my veggie rice. Bye-bye.